Kia ora, I'm Lucas.
And I'm Maya. No mai, haere mai. Welcome to Nature Academy.
We are two kids who love nature.
We want to encourage other kids
And their parents.
to look after our beautiful planet.
Ko tātou katoa ngā kaitiaki o Papatua Nuku.
And we want to motivate others to get out amongst it in the outdoors. Woohoo!
Join us as we go on awesome adventures.
Go to some amazing places. Here we are at the beautiful Otaki River. Telezio. Beautiful botanical gardens in Timaru.
In the Moteri Valley, just out of Nelson.
And the Victoria University Marine Laboratory. We've got Stroke, Public Marine Reserve.
There's Oriental Bay. And the Tararuas. Here we are in Anakiwa.
We interview super interesting people.
We just wanted to say hi for Mike.
Keep up the good work.
Kia ora. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you. Hi Maya, hi Lucas.
Go the extra mile.
To share our learning journey with you.
Carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, and ozone.
Water vapour. So what can we recycle? And are you recycling the right way? We hope you enjoyed hearing about what we get up to.
We post an exciting new episode every Tuesday.
So subscribe to our YouTube channel, Nature Academy, and join our Facebook page for updates.
And don't forget to comment, as we love hearing from you.
Until then, ka kite anō.
Ka kite.